Hello everyone, this is Candace with Binks Cruise and Travel, and today we're going to take a tour of a royal guest room at Walt Disney World's Port Orleans Riverside Resort. From the stately mansions to quaint backwoods cottages, delight in the romance and casual charm of a bygone era. Enjoy quiet leisure pools, hire a horse-drawn carriage, and relax at our one-of-a-kind watering holes. It's just a short stroll over to Disney's Port Orleans Resort French Quarter for beignets, big easy atmosphere, and all that jazz, or just a quick boat ride down the river to what's going on at Disney Springs. As we go through this room, I encourage you to notice all the extra little touches that make it royal, from the heavy draperies to the detail everywhere you turn. The rooms have been recently refurbished and are now focused on a Princess and the Frog theme, so you'll notice touches of Tiana and some of the characters from that movie throughout the room. These rooms would be excellent choices for a girls' trip, a romantic getaway with little extra magical touches, or a celebration trip for that little prince or princess. This particular room was facing the river, but we didn't hear any of the boat noise from the water taxis traveling back and forth at all. It was nice and quiet, very peaceful and relaxing. This particular room was a ground level room, so it was easy to just walk right in. We have Aladdin's magic carpet and the towel animals left thoughtfully by mousekeeping. You'll notice that there is an in-room fridge, which can be very convenient for what you need to keep cold. As a matter of fact, one money-saving trip that I do share with my clients is that there's a grocery store in Orlando that you can place an order with before you actually leave home. For a nominal fee, they will deliver to the resort so that you can stock your room fridge with things like breakfast items and snacks so that you don't have extra outlay when you're in the parks. Disney's known for their detail, and this room, absolutely, they miss nothing. And this is my favorite part of the whole room. Magical headboard of the bed. The bed itself was not the most comfortable. There was a fairly substantial dip headed toward the middle of it. So I think the mattresses may need some replacing, but overall it was a very comfortable room, beautifully appointed with many amenities, and nothing was very too far away. The iron and ironing board for people that like to iron on vacation. And the wall safe, which works just fine as long as you lock it and remember to take the key. Keep in mind, when you book a vacation with Binks Cruise and Travel, I will do everything that I can to get you the best possible price, and if Disney releases a promotion, I'll be sure and apply it to your reservation automatically. There's a hairdryer in that bag, and these wallpaper borders are just too much. They're just adorable. And that will do it for this tour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave in the comments below what you think and if you've ever stayed at Port Orleans Riverside and what you thought. I appreciate your subscription, and you can be looking for new videos every Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a magical day.